Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Bluetooth connection. So this problem primarily targets the issue that whenever the device is connected to your mobile device, the connection is successful, the devices are connected as well, but no sound is transmitted. So in order to fix this, what you can do is simply access your quick access settings, and from here, simply disable the Bluetooth and turn it again. This will restart the connection and hopefully the issue might get solved. If that does not work, simply try to hold on to this Bluetooth icon and click on more settings. Then from here, simply choose the device that you're connected with, and then from here you can try to unpair that particular device and then pair with it again, and this will hopefully solve your Bluetooth issue. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.